What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K, and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video is about Tesla and how right now is the right time to buy, as well as after the stock split. But I want to walk you guys through methodically what you should do depending on what situation you in. So without further ado, I want you guys to take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $44,243.31. On the day, we're kind of at break even. On the week, we are up a little over 2%. On the month, we are up over 9%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 21.5%. If we go out 1 year, although I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 17.5%. And if I take you guys out all time, we are up over 17.5% as well. Listen guys, if you're new here, I make videos every day on how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this account with $0 in January, and I show you guys how to properly build out a portfolio. So man, I appreciate you. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hey guys, I want to talk to you about Tesla today. Tesla, as you all know, they will have an upcoming stock split August 31st. The stock split will actually take place August 24th. So you guys are in a win-win situation, and I need you to be aware of that. I need you to understand that depending on your situation. So I got 2 scenarios that I need to play out and explain for you all. Okay, so for instance, I'm a Tesla shareholder. As a Tesla shareholder already, my stocks will just be split with the 5-to-1 stock split. So I'll just get more stocks added to what I already have. So that's a win for me. Nothing really to do in my situation, or if you are in my situation. However, for those of you guys that don't have Tesla already in your portfolio, and this will be the first time that you get into this stock, which is a good thing, you guys will have a chance to get the stock at around $300. It may be a little above 300, it may be a little below 300. That all depends on where the price is at on the day that it splits. So keep that in mind. Whatever that price is divided by 5, that's how you guys will know what and how much the stock will be. With that information, I want you guys to do this, okay? I need you, if you rock with me, you gotta have Tesla in your portfolio. Jamia is cool, Plug is cool, all that other stuff is cool, but at some point, guys, you're gonna have to make sure you got the right stocks in your portfolio if you want to see it really grow. Tesla is one of those growth stocks that, above all else, we would need to have in our portfolio. So when August 31st comes, listen, when you get a chance to get in, whether it's September 1st, September 3rd, whenever you have a chance to take your bite of the apple, I need you to get at least 3 to 5 shares off rip. Okay, you need at least 3 to 5 shares starting off in your portfolio. So remember, I talked to you guys about building out your buying power. Now is the time, as we have a little bit of time before August 31st is upon us. Be building out with your next check. Any little money you come into, be setting it aside so that you can acquire your shares of Tesla, your whole shares of Tesla, when August 31st comes. What I want you guys to remember is that once the split happens, again, you just will be buying the stock as is. Nothing with the fundamentals has changed with the company. They're just splitting the apple down the middle. Nothing for those that had it already will be different from those that's buying it for right now, okay? And so don't get caught up in that. You just need to make sure you get your position established so that you can make sure that you have this as part of your portfolio. Even if you can only afford 1 share, I still want you to get at least 1 share of Tesla so that you can have it as part of your portfolio. One of the reasons, guys, is we have Battery Day coming up on September 22nd. That is a key day, and that is a significant day for a number of reasons. Number one being Tesla has a cult-like following. I've been rocking with Tesla for a long time, and I know hundreds of people that do as well. What you guys are going to experience as you first-time Tesla shareholders is that good news can make the stock skyrocket. However, the stock can be just as volatile on bad news. And so I need you guys to be mindful. I need you guys to not be emotional about this, but I need you guys to buckle your seatbelt and get ready to enjoy the ride. The amount of new buyers, the amount of new investors that's going to come into this stock will easily take it back up to $700, $800. And so I want you guys to be in it in the 300 range so that you guys can see, owning a quality stock, what it feels like to see your account really shoot up. Okay, and so again, guys, we have a lot of decisions to make. You're in a win-win situation regardless though, so I don't want you getting caught up in the nuanced little details of this. If you already have Tesla shares prior to the split, you're good to go. Feel free to add more now or wait till the split. If you don't have Tesla shares currently on August 31st, make sure that the minute you get an opportunity to buy Tesla stock, that you take advantage of it. Listen, guys, I just want to put that on you. I want to make sure that you guys are getting the right information leading up to these significant dates that's upon us. So with that being said, next up, we have our word of the day. And our word of the day is take profits. Guys, taking profits is a normal course of action in the stock market. It is the way a lot of savvy investors rebalance their portfolio. Sometimes you may only want 10% of ownership in a certain stock, and as that stock continue to rise, you might be at 12%. You might peel a little bit off the top so that you can get back to 10%. Any type of movement like that is called taking profits. Anytime you sell a stock, if you're up, that's also called taking profits. And so right now, you will see a few stocks that you are in will be down. They might be fluctuating between being up and being down. Again, that's not the time to panic. That's not the time to freak out. I need you guys to, again, keep your emotions under control as investors and as new investors, and make sure that you keep a level head, because it's important to know the stock market is a cyclical thing. It goes up, it goes down. It goes up more times than it goes down though. And so that's the good thing, and that's the thing to always remember. So taking profits is a normal thing that takes place. The hedge funds do it first, the insiders do it second, and then you guys get a chance to do what you need to do. But again, I talked to you guys about trailing stop losses, limit orders. There's a bunch of ways that you guys can negate losing significant money when people are taking profits and you're currently holding a stock. So make sure you employ and apply some of those things that I taught you, just to ensure that your profits is not altered in any kind of way. Man, I hope that was helpful. Next up, we have our question of the day, and today's question comes from Terrion Sumter. He says, I appreciate all the game you put us on. For the longest time, I've had an interest in stocks but didn't know much. After watching a few videos on YouTube, I seen several videos of people talking about stocks, but yours really stuck out and gravitated towards me. I have only started investing since May, and I'm up almost 18% just by taking your advice plus researching what you give us. Wish I would have known about investing 10 years ago, but better late than never. It's actually something that I actually like to do personally now as well. Terrion, man, I thank you for this. I thank you, and I can't thank you enough for leaving me this comment. Listen, man, you are a reflection of so many people, and I just can't help but just to acknowledge you and affirm everything that you said about your journey, because like so many of us, man, we all wish we had this information years and years ago. But the point is, we're here now, and now we have a chance to do something about today, and that's why I'm happy you guys are rocking with me, so that we can again sell off into the sunset, building our wealth, accumulating assets, and then helping making a difference in the lives of others. So Terrion, man, appreciate you sending this comment. I think that like I said, you are representative of so many people, man. We've all had an interest in it, but sometimes you can't discover something when the information is presented to you in such a way that it turns you off. Again, I told you guys, I only came on because I said if more people knew about the stock market, I can guarantee you not only would they like it, but if they were taught the right way, they would dominate. And look at Terrion, man, he's up 18%. I talk to you guys every day, so I know hundreds of you guys are up as well. And so that's what it's all about. And matter of fact, don't lose sight of this. We're up in a recession. We got millions of people unemployed. We got a pandemic that's taking over the global world, and we are still managing to win and have gains in the stock market. And so that's a testament to all you guys and your commitment, your ability to listen, your ability to apply what you're learning each and every video, man. So I salute you, Terrion, but I salute everybody that rocks with me on this page. Listen, man, if you have questions, leave them in my comments below. I'll grab them, add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.